Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting yourself. Put on gloves, an N95 mask, and long sleeves to avoid contact and inhalation. Once done, vacuum seams, baseboards, and mattress edges thoroughly and dispose of the vacuum bag in a sealed plastic bag. Make sure to spot test the powder on a hidden fabric piece and confirm label dosage in grams or teaspoons. Use measuring tools rather than estimates. Then, prepare the powder applicator or duster for controlled, precise application to the next targeted areas. You now focus on precise application. Use a hand duster or squeeze bottle to place thin, continuous lines of powder along mattress seams, box spring edges, bed frame joints, baseboards, and inside cracks where bed bugs travel. Once applied, tap gently into crevices with a brush, but keep layers thin. Excess powder reduces effectiveness and increases cleanup. Make sure to leave powder undisturbed. Reapply after 7 to 14 days to catch newly hatched nymphs and maintain control until no active signs remain. You finish by sealing treated zones and minimizing disturbance. Do not vacuum powdered areas unless label permits, because removal defeats treatment. Once done, launder all bedding and removable fabrics at 60 degrees Celsius or higher and tumble dry on high for at least 30 minutes to kill survivors. Make sure to monitor for 2 to 3 weeks. If bites or live bugs persist despite correct use, consult a pest professional or combine mechanical, chemical, and laundering methods. That integrated approach often solves stubborn infestation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.